Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a lunch meal. Do try this delicious meal and enjoy with your family. Rice is served with palak dal curry, a different lady's finger poriyal and a fried fish. Let's see how to prepare this meal. We have used spinach from our garden, so this dal curry is little more special to us. These are fresh palak straight from our garden and we have taken some lady's finger. Pressure cook 1 cup of tur dal with enough water. So the dal is ready for the curry. These are the main ingredients required for the palak curry. Heat a kadai and add in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add in half a teaspoon of sunflower oil. In goes 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute it and add in 2 sliced green chilli. Add in 1 chopped onion and saute it. Once the onions are cooked, add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Now add in 1 chopped tomato. Saute it and add in 2 tablespoons of water so that the masala powders doesn't burn. Cover it with the lid and cook well. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add in 2 cups of chopped palak. Now you could see it's more, but once it cooks, it will reduce in volume. Saute it for a couple of minutes and add in salt as needed. Cover it with the lid and cook the palak. Add in any water and the palak has cooked well. Now add in the boiled tur dal. I have boiled 1 cup of tur dal in pressure cooker. Add in enough water required for the gravy. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of jaggery. Check for the salt and add it if required. Palak dal curry is ready now. For tempering, heat 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add in half a teaspoon of jeera, 2 red chilli and curry leaf. Finally, add in 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and saute it. Add it to the palak dal curry. Dal curry is so aromatic and tastes delicious. My amma is preparing this mackerel fry. Fish fry is ready now. Next, I'm going to prepare a different lady's finger poriyal. Whenever we have lady's finger, my amma asked me to make this poriyal. This has little sweetness, tangy and all the flavor. I have sliced 15 lady's finger into a round shape. Do not chop it finely but slice it thinly into a round shape. For the masala, take 2 shallots, 1 garlic, 1 teaspoon of jeera, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal. Well, this is roasted Bengal gram or in Tamil we used to say pottu kadalai. Add in salt required for the masala. Powder all these ingredients without adding any water. Add in 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Grind it finely without adding any water. Add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and grind it. So do not add any water while grinding it. Heat a kadai and add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. In goes 1 teaspoon of split urad dal, 2 red chilli and few curry leaves. Now add in the lady's finger. Saute it nicely and cook the lady's finger. One important thing is that always clean the lady's finger first and then slice it. After slicing the lady's finger, do not wash it in water. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Open the lid and give it a mix so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Do not add salt before cooking the lady's finger. It will release a sticky liquid if you add it at the early stage. Once the lady's finger is almost cooked, add in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. To make this poriyal, we shouldn't add water while cooking the lady's finger or while grating the masala. Once the lady's finger is cooked, add in salt as needed. Now add in the coconut masala powder. This masala has salt in it, so you can taste it and add salt if required. Sort it nicely so that the masala powders gets cooked. Sort it for 5 minutes and the ladies poriyal is ready to be served now. This poriyal has sweet, tangy and spicy flavor. Poriyal should be of this dry consistency. Our delicious lunch is ready now. Palak dal curry and ladies finger poriyal is best combo. Do try this complete meal and share me the feedback. If you tried this recipe, do share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.